today we're going to sing a song all about words that start with the letters S-N. Can you say that with me? Sn, sn. See, my tongue touches the roof up here. Sn. That's it. Good. Come on, let's sing along. They all start with S-N, S-N words. They all start with S-N, S-N words. They all start with S-N, S-N words. Sn, snack, sneaker, snore, snail, snake, snap, sneeze, snow, snapshot, sniff, snowball, snowman, snatch, snug, sneak, snuggle. They all start with S-N, S-N words. They all start with S-N, S-N words. They all start with S-N, S-N words. Yeah, good job. Now just keep practicing and you'll get it. See you soon. Bye-bye. Hi friends, it's me, Miss Patty. Let's keep singing and dancing together. All you have to do is click on the box right here or there. Just click right here or right there. And we will keep on dancing and singing together. Thank you so much for subscribing.